called this special council meeting to said that the Fometo had given us a letter stating that they are handing over the plant to us. In this regard, we placed that letter in front of the council and we took advice of the council. After discussion, it was decided that we will take the advice of Goa Solid, we'll take the advice of the government, Goa Solid Waste Management and the Pollution Control Board. And based on their advice, we will act what to do as fast as possible. That was our resolution. Now, how to go about it?
But what we have done, so far we have managed to install 2 more at Sansoda site and 2 more behind the municipality. So we have 6 working machines, working baling machines. So on an average, one baling machine can take care of, can bale around 3 tons. So 6 will be 6 threes, practically 6 threes are 18. But there are some flaws, so we do not get that performance. And as a part of decentralization, another thing what we have done is we have put 2 more installed. We are in the process. We have already installed them, but not started as yet. 2 more baling machines at the SGPT vegetable market.
शेडो काउन्सिल म्हणटा आतां बाय खणूंक धांवतात इतलो तेंप कितें करताले.
So it was the duty of the municipality, the technical section, the council, basically to work out, to see how many workers are employed there, what machinery is there, and how much that cost works out as per their this thing, so that they can counter it. Today they have got nothing of that sort with them. So how they are going to say that it will be adjusted in the final settlement when they don't have facts and figures? This is total nonsense that they are talking. And the very fact that the resolution that they had taken was not produced even before the court or before their own lawyer speaks volumes of how sensible this council is.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावियो डायस.